everyone, it's Rylan here from Sena, and today I'm thrilled to show you our all-new 60S. The 60S is packed with new and innovative features, including Sena's all-new Wave intercom, Mesh 3.0, an IPX7 waterproof rating, as well as second-generation Harman Kardon speakers that offer even more enhanced volume and dynamic range than the first generation, offering even more crystal clear sound. The 60S also comes with a magnetic mounting base, interchangeable face plates, a customizable LED, and even a flashlight on the front. So in this video, I'm going to take you through all of its features as well as how to use it. Let's get into intercoms. So the 60S is the very first unit to be ready for the all-new Wave intercom right out of the box. And how Wave intercom works is that it leverages cellular networks to connect anybody with coverage. So this eliminates distance as well as a limitless number of people can join. We're going to do another video about Wave intercom here soon, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. But for now, let's jump into Mesh 3.0. What really sets Mesh 3.0 apart is that it has an enhanced, robust reliability. So if you're riding, it's going to really strengthen that connection if an obstacle gets in between you and another rider. And it also has those 9 different channels where a limitless number of people can join, so the more the merrier, as well as it has that distance of 1.2 miles and can be extended up to 5 miles with a minimum of 6 riders with you. My favorite thing about Mesh is that it's self-healing, so if you were to go a little bit out of range and you get disconnected, the moment you're back in range, you're going to reconnect, making it super convenient when riding with groups. Another great thing about the 60S is that if you have buddies who prefer to ride with Bluetooth, the 60S also has Bluetooth. It has a distance of 1.2 miles and can connect with a total of 4 riders, which is perfect for those small Bluetooth riding groups. The 60S also comes with second-generation Harman Kardon speakers. These speakers have been upgraded to have a wider dynamic range and an increase in volume for a more richer, immersive sound within your helmet. My favorite thing is that these boxes come with 2 sets of Harman Kardon speakers, so you don't have to worry about swapping everything in one helmet to put it into another or compromising on sound. You can have 2 setups with 1 unit to swap between each. The 60S comes with an all-new magnetic mounting plate, and how that works is it literally snaps onto the side of your helmet with ease. And what's awesome is that the box comes with 2, so you're able to take it from one helmet and snap it onto the next helmet seamlessly and easily. Now both mounting plates, one comes with a fixed boom mic like this one here, and the other one comes with an option for a wired mic for a full face helmet or a wired boom mic if you're needing a little bit more extension for those open face helmets. The 60S has an IPX7 waterproof rating, meaning that it can be fully submerged to up to 3 feet in water for up to 30 minutes. This makes it perfect for rainy rides or if you're caught in a random downpour. The 60S comes with 4 different faceplate options for you to customize to your own personal style. The options are dark chrome, metallic silver, pearl white, and my favorite, the glossy black. Just make sure when you install them to be extra gentle. I'll show you how to install and remove them in our install video. The 60S has all the same features that you know and love from the 50S, including advanced noise control, audio multitasking, and voice commands. It also uses AI technology to even further do noise control using AI noise cancellation. And what that's going to do is it's going to learn your voice and prioritize it over other noises, making you sound even more crystal clear through the microphone. One of my favorite features about the 60S is how easy it is to update. So the 60S offers over-the-air updates, meaning all you really need is the Sena Motorcycle app and you're able to update your unit right then and there. This means you don't have to download the device manager to do a firmware update or anything like that, which makes it super convenient if you're on a trip or need to update it at home. The 60S has a battery life of 16 hours on the Mesh intercom and 22 hours with Bluetooth intercom. Now with the Wave intercom, it varies by how much you use it, but the more that you use it, the more it's going to end up using your battery. One of the great things about the 60S though is that it only takes an hour and a half for a full charge, which is a great upgrade from the previous 2.5 hours in other units. Let's go over the layout of the 60S. So we'll go ahead and start with that glove-friendly jog dial we all know and love, and it also serves as a button. Right next to it we have the dynamic LED light. This will change depending on what you're doing, so for instance when you press the Mesh button right here, it's going to turn green. Or if you change the volume with the jog dial, you can see it in real time go up and down. Also, you can customize the dynamic LED light with your Sena Motorcycle app. There's a front flashlight button right here for you to turn the flashlight on and off. On the back here we have the USB-C charging port, and a charger does come in the box, as well as your phone button. And then right here we have the Mesh antenna. To turn on the 60S, you're going to press and hold the jog dial and the phone button until you're greeted with hello.
Hello. Battery level is high. Phone pairing.
You'll also hear the battery level. Battery level is high, low, or medium, and the unit automatically goes into phone pairing mode, so you're able to immediately connect your phone and get on the road to ride. This unit really is top of the line with those second generation Harman Kardon speakers and that Wave Intercom Edition, as well as the Mesh 3.0. But what I really like about it is how customizable it is, from those interchangeable faceplates to the customizable LED. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to catch you next time.
Connected.